Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, and welcome to Authentic Haitian Creole, the best channel to learn Haitian Creole as it's spoken by native speakers. In this episode, I'm going to teach you 5 essential verbs in Haitian Creole for beginners. À nous commencer. Let's begin. Manger. Manger. To eat. Example. Sa wap manger la. Sa wap manger la. Sa wap manger la. In this sentence, we have ap, which is used to talk about progressive actions, and we have la, which is used to emphasize in this moment. So the perfect translation would be, what are you eating right now? What are you eating right now? Let's see another example. Sa wap manger. Sa wap manger. In this sentence, you may see that there is no la, so the meaning also changes. This question is more about your intention, your wish. It can be translated as, what do you want to eat? Sa wap manger. Sa wap manger. Another sentence is, mwen te manje yon mango. Mwen te manje yon mango. Mwen te manje yon mango. In this sentence, we have te, which is the time marker to talk about the past. It means, I ate a mango. Mwen te manje yon mango. The next one is boire. Boire. Boire, which means to drink. Example, mwen pa te boire d'lo a. Mwen pa te boire d'lo a. In this sentence, we have pa, which is the particle that is used in Haitian Creole to build negative sentences. The phrase means, I did not drink the water. Mwen pa te boire d'lo a. Another example is, sa wap boire. Sa wap boire. Sa wap boire, which means, what do you want to drink? Sa wap boire. If I add la at the end, it means, what are you drinking right now? Our next verb is jouer, which means to play. Example, kite ti moun yo jwe deyo apito. Kite ti moun yo jwe deyo apito. Kite ti moun yo jwe deyo apito. In this sentence, we have kite at the beginning of the sentence. It means let, and we have pito, which is used to talk about preferences. So it means, let the children play outside instead. Let the children play outside instead. Kite ti moun yo jwe deyo apito. Another example is, mwen pito jwe boule. Mwen pito jwe boule. I rather play football. Mwen pito jwe boule. Next verb is gade. Possible translations are to look or to watch. Example, eske ou reme gade film? Eske ou reme gade film? Eske ou reme gade film? In this sentence, we have eske, which may be used at the beginning of a closed question. That means a question which can be answered by yes or no. But it's not a must. You can make a closed question without eske. So you could have said, ou reme gade film? Ou reme gade film? Another thing is, here we have Gade. In many instances, we native speakers don't use full verbs. We sometimes shorten them. If you don't know how to shorten them, just use the full form. The sentence means, do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? Another example is, mwen gade match football. Mwen gade match football. Mwen gade match football. It means no more than, I like watching football games. Mwen gade match football. Our next verb is tande. This verb literally means to hear, but Haitians use it as a synonym of the verb koute, which is to listen. So tande can mean to hear or to listen. Example, mwen reme tande ap chante. Mwen reme tande ap chante. Mwen reme tande ap chante. It means, I like to listen to him singing. Mwen reme tande ap chante. Another example, tandem bien, se ave ou m'a parlé. Tandem bien, se ave ou m'a parlé. It means listen to me carefully, I'm talking to you. Listen to me carefully, I'm talking to you. Tendez bien, c'est un verbe à parler. Another example. Tendez pou wè, gen yon moun ki ap kriye. Tendez pou wè, gen yon moun ki ap kriye. In this sentence, we have tendez pou wè. It literally means listen to see, but it used to ask someone to pay close attention while listening. So it means listen, there's someone crying. Listen, there's someone crying. Tendez pou wè, gen yon moun ki ap kriye. Our last verb for today is achte, which means to buy. Achte. Achte. Mta reme achte yon bon kamera. Mta reme achte yon bon kamera. In this sentence, we have ta reme, which is used to talk about desire. It expresses wish. So this sentence means, I would like to buy a good camera. Mta reme achte yon bon kamera. Another sentence is, mte vle achte yon tenis pou ou. Mte vle achte yon tenis pou ou. Mte vle achte yon tenis pou ou. Is the short form of mwen. Te vle means wanted. So this sentence means I wanted to buy a sneaker for you. Mte vle achte yon tenis pou ou. Mte vle achte yon tenis pou ou. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you liked it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share so that I can bring more resources for you. Bye for now and until next time.